We are some hours away from Google Pixel 6 series launch, and as yet Google introduced two trailers of these devices. We'll most have grabbed certain information of Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, so more fresh images appearing of both phones on Twitter. This time Google has really got something extraordinary for people. In addition to, both consist IP68 water and dust resistant. A latest trailer came out regarding Pixel 6 Pro by Snoopy Tech on Twitter, highlighting the key features of this device. As you can see, a magic eraser feature from Google that can erase anything from picture which distracts the scene. In Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, you obtain Live Translate, which can translate any language or even any image text, accompanied by no internet connection. It's a pre-installed feature. Other than it, we'll find first ever chip by Google. That's gonna be Google Tensor in 6 or 6 Pro. Rumors suggest that Google could put Qualcomm in concern in as much as this chip could surpass Snapdragon processors. If this gets, Google may get upper hand and other companies will utilize Google chips. As you know, every smartphone runs on Android platform except iPhone, so anything can happen in the future. Until now, we gotta see the performance of Pixel phones. Day by day, the security of our devices is getting better. The solid feature from Google named Security Hub that will protect your data, password or Google account. Here are the prices leaks of Pixel 6 or 6 Pro. Brandon Lee tweeted by uncovering the price of 6 or 6 Pro of US market. Pixel 6 128GB $599, whereas 6 Pro 128GB $898. If this is the correct information, this will be very aggressive price from Google. Pixel 6 could be inexpensive for some people. Regarding the UK price, according to the reports, Pixel 6 €649 and 6 Pro €899 of 128GB storage. So today Vent will unravel total things about both phones. It would be amusing to see your comments in the comment section. I'll get you in the another one.